Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the hotspot on your phone and verifying it has cellular data and enough battery. Once done, make sure you have the hotspot name and password visible, case and symbols matter. Now, on your MacBook, open System Settings and go to Wi-Fi. You want the list of networks in front of you. This immediate action gets you connected faster, and it prevents guessing passwords later, which wastes time and risks lockouts. You now select the phone SSID from the Wi-Fi list and enter the hotspot password exactly as shown. Once connected, make sure to check any prompts. Some carriers or hotspots need you to allow connections on the phone. Grant permission there. If privacy features create issues, toggle private address off for this network. Also, create or select a network location to save these settings. That way, next time you reconnect faster without repeating manual steps. Finish by testing the connection. Load a web page or run a simple speed check to confirm internet. If pages fail or are slow, first toggle Wi-Fi or restart the phone hotspot. This often clears temporary issues. If that fails, re-enter the password exactly and confirm tethering is active on the phone and allowed by your carrier plan. As a final fix, remove the SSID from MacBook networks and reconnect, or reboot the MacBook. These steps resolve most stubborn pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.